Happy Saturday. This is Sherry from Style Tips with Sherry. Today I get to share with you something that we do one time a year, and it's free. I can't wait to tell you about it. So once a year, we have an annual 5-day fall fashion challenge. We've been doing it for, I don't know, maybe the last 3 or so years. And it is just something that people say they look forward to all year long. And if you've never joined us for it, you've got to join us for it. Okay, so a couple questions that people ask. Do I have to be on Facebook? Well, to get the most out of it, I would say yes, except that we will record the training every day and email it to you. So as long as you're on my email list, then you'll get the training. Well, you got to sign up for the challenge though. If you're on the challenge list, then we'll email you every single day with the challenge details and the homework, because the homework is what makes it fun. How much time does it take? Well, I would say if you put aside an hour a day, you'll be good to go. Enough to watch the video and then to do the homework. Okay. And when does it start? Well, it begins September 27th and we will go for 5 days. We go live every day at 2 p.m. Eastern. So 2 p.m. Eastern, and then it gives you the whole rest of the day to join in and do your homework and join in on the fun and all the things. Are there prizes involved? Oh, heck yes. There are prizes involved, and we give away some really cool stuff. And so, are we selling anything? Actually, we're not selling anything during the challenge, but on the very last day of the challenge, we will tell you about my private VIP community that some of you have been waiting for, because we only open up registration once a year, and that happens on the last day of the training. Registration opens up. Okay, so those are the details. Now, what's going to happen during the challenge? Well, let me walk you through that. Day 1 of the challenge, we are going to talk about how to choose the right shapers for your body. So, our bodies change and they grow and we get bigger tummies or, bigger hips or thighs or whatever it is for you, right? Well, there are some shapers that really make a difference and can really help you to feel better about your body when you learn what they are. So we're going to talk about that. You're going to determine your body shape, and we're going to help you to really know what to look for when it comes to shaper, and that's on day 1. On day 2, we are going to have a color adventure, and basically we want to help you to understand how you can make the neutrals in your wardrobe. So we want you to know what your color code is first, and hopefully, and if you don't know that, we'll give you a quiz that you can take during that, but we'll help you to learn how to put together outfits, and you're going to put together some outfits in your own wardrobe that will make you just look amazing. And we're going to do that with the neutrals in your wardrobe. And Kim Nowlin, who is in charge of our Outfit Planner Facebook page, she's going to lead that discussion, and she's amazing at it. And so she's going to be with us on day 2. I'll be there too, but that's going to happen on day 2. On day 3, I'm going to help you learn how to pick the perfect jeans for your body shape. So here's the thing. A couple of weeks ago, I did a video on 2021 jeans versus 2022 jeans, right? And some of you weren't super happy about the relaxed fit of the jeans. Well, I'm going to help you choose the trends that are happening in 2022 for your body shape. And so you don't want to miss any of the days, but if you love to wear denim, this is your day. And you're going to dig in your closet, and we might send you to a thrift store. I don't know where we're going to send you, but we're going to have some fun on that day. Day 4, we are going to have a makeup adventure. This entire challenge is going to be leading you on an adventure. And so we're going to have a makeup adventure. I'm going to give you 5 tips that are really going to help you to know how to deal with aging skin. And I don't care if you're 30 and you are, and you think aging skin, even at 30, you think about your aging skin. I know you do. Although I would say most of the women who are watching my channel are not 30, but I know some of you are. And so, but if you are, 40 or 50 or 60 or 70, whatever you are, and your skin is aging, I'm going to give you some tips that you need to know that is going to literally change the way you see yourself when you look in the mirror. It's really going to be cool. Some really cool tips. Okay. And then on day 5, you're going to meet Nasa Thorell, who is incredible on video, and she's in our Closet Outfit Planner group, but she's our new creative director for our VIP community. And she is going to help you to know how to turn your closet into your own special boutique. And I'm telling you, that is going to be so much fun. And on that day, we'll also give you the goods on what the new VIP community is going to be all about. And you guys, you have never seen a VIP community like what's about to happen. I'm just telling you, think adventure, think journey, think, oh my goodness, it's going to be amazing. So anyway, I hope you'll join us. Make sure that you sign up. Pray for me as I'm on my flight on my way home right now from Italy. And I can't wait to see you in the challenge, which starts on Tuesday. And we also have a few other little tricks and tips along the way. One of them is, as I was even building this video today, I thought, I need to actually give them a few ways to wear some scarves. And so I was showing somebody something the other day, and they're like, I had no idea that I would never have thought to do my scarf like that. So I'm going to give you a couple tips along somewhere in that 5-day challenge, because I just think that would be kind of fun to know. But anyway, sign up for the challenge. Go to stylebycolor.com. Sign up. It's free. Doesn't cost you a thing. And I'll see you next week. I'll see you Tuesday during the challenge. And again, if you're not on Facebook, that's okay. We'll email you the videos and you can still participate. But until then, I will see you soon. Bye.